to Crypto Moonshots. Great to have you guys here. Thanks for coming back, man. So today we're gonna be looking at Safemoon. All right. Um, Man, oh man, am I bullish on this? Right. I am pretty bullish on this. I'm if you find this video, I'm sure you looked it up. So I'm gonna assume you know a little bit about it. Um, it's a meme coin, right? It's a meme coin. So that basically means that it doesn't really have real utility, but I want to get into that first. So people say it doesn't have real utility, you know? So can someone tell me what utility, sorry, one second, man. I should have loaded this up, my bad. What utility do these have, right? These things right here, these NFTs, going for, I have no idea why my internet's so slow right now, but these NFTs going for, 3 Ethereum, right? Like this one right here, man. What utility does it have? Someone please let me know. Right? Everyone's hating on Safemoon saying it has no utility. What utility do these things have, right? Nothing, right? They're just collectibles. A lot of things in life don't have utility, right? That's why when people say it doesn't have utility, agree, disagree, right? These things are going for, 2 Ethereum, right? What utility, what use do they have? Nothing, right? So, um, Safemoon, it's a meme coin, right? No real usage other than it, being cool and having hype around it and the name of it and stuff like that, which is totally fine, right? In my opinion, it's completely okay, right? Just like NFTs are. Um, but basically, I want to talk about why I'm bullish, and then I want to look at the chart and just discuss a few things, man. So I read about this right when it came out, right? Not right when it came out, like an hour or two. Like I saw this pump. I remember seeing this pump, right? I saw this pump, and I was like, damn, that's a big pump. If you look, bro, that's what is that? That's point oh oh whatever 1 to point oh oh oh. Like that's times 10 right there. That's times 10, right? I saw that thing. I saw it times 10. I was like, damn. Like I don't know, man. It's like when you when you see something times 10, you become really hesitant to buy that thing, right? Because you have no idea what can happen, right? Like some coins just go absolutely berserk and parabolic, right? And they just keep going up, right? And then it consolidated, right? And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it, right? I'm gonna buy it. And then it went absolutely parabolic, right? And again, because I've been in this game for a while now, right? I spend I spend more time than I should on these stuff, right? I was able to get it here, right? I think I got around like point 0.8, so I got it like right here, right? I got it right here, and then it went up to 0.18, right? I sold at 0.16, right? So I put like 1K, became 2K, and I was like, you know what, I'm out, right? And then when you go on Pancake Swap and you set your slippage, let me know if you guys want to see how to buy it. And you set it to like 11%. It low-key takes some of that profit, man. It takes some of that profit, and then it came down, right? So I took my 1K profit, which turned out to be like 700 because of the stupid slippage and how it gives 5% back to fellow holders and stuff like that. And then it started coming back down, right? And then I was like, oh my god, perfect buy opportunity, right? It came down from like 0.19 as soon as it hit like, like 0.12 or 0.11. You know what I mean? 0.0000111, right? You know what I mean? Um, as soon as it hit that, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get another bag, right? Because it went up, so I'm looking at it going up again. And then what happened? Then it came all the way down, right? And I became a loser, right? I took an L. I took an L and I sold. I sold at the very bottom, right? At the very bottom, I sold. And then, right when people kind of forgot it, a lot of Reddit posts came out how screw these meme coins, blah blah blah, and it came down for like 18th of March, 19th, 20th, 21st, right? Barely moved. Like those times for like 4 days. That's a long time for a meme coin. 4 days is a long time. A lot of these coins come and go in like 5 hours, right? So once I saw it go back up, I was like, hold up, wait a minute. Why is this going back up after 4 days? Is it gaining traction, right? Then I checked their Reddit and I saw it had around that time it had like 12,000, 13,000, and that was 10,000 up from when I checked, right? When I checked there was like 1,500 members. It went up like 10,000 and just kept going up and up. And listen, man, I'm bullish on this, all right? I'm bullish. This is consolidating right now. As I talked in my last videos, it's consolidating. One way up, one way up. Um, it can go down, right? Like I mentioned. Like if we look at the reason I'm kind of hesitant to say it's gonna moon, I'm 80% moon. Maybe actually I'm like 75% moon, 25% like I don't know, kind of nervous about it. Is for this reason. Is for this reason. I'll show you why. Is for this reason. Remember how much hype Hoj had, right? Hoj was the OG, right? Hoj came out. It was a meme coin, right? Went absolutely parabolic, right? And then Safemoon came out after that, like 3, 4, 5 days later, right? Look at this, man. This is just does not look good. It just does not look good. It's just, consolidating and coming down, right? It just does not look too good, man. So that's why I'm a little hesitant. The reason I believe more in Hogecoin, or I'm sorry, not Hogecoin, in SafeMoon is, as I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard, man, it's because of this, right? These guys burn these coins like crazy. 392 trillion coins burn, right? That's a lot, man. That's a lot. That's a lot. And look at that market cap. That's insane. $213 million for a coin with quote unquote no utility, right? That's an insane market cap, man. That's insane. And look, it's community driven, right? Website looks beautiful, right? And then if we look at Coin Market Cal and we search SafeMoon, they've got a lot of events coming up, man. Look at like good upvotes too. 1,600 upvotes. They're waiting on a Whitebit um, listing right now, and I think it's gonna happen soon with the momentum they have. And I honestly think it's gonna be a coin that is basically gonna go to NFTs, and merch. You know, I think like okay, like Dogecoin is cool, right? Dogecoin is, that's how a lot of people got started with crypto, right? Dogecoin is cool, right? But Dogecoin doesn't have like, I don't even know what the website of Dogecoin looks like. Let's check. Like you can't even look. All right, let's see. Like it looks ugly. Like let's be honest, man. It looks ugly. Like what the hell is this? You think it'd be better for a meme coin, right? SafeMoon, I think is gonna be like Dogecoin, right? Again, I'm making bold predictions. I really don't know, right? I really don't. But this is like a community backed coin that is gonna have merchandise, right? I like the name is smooth, right? The logo's smooth, the NFTs are gonna create again. Some NFTs are going for like 3, 4 Ethereum. What if they sell like 100,000 of those NFTs, right? Then the price is gonna go absolutely parabolic. They're also burning a lot of coins, right? 392 trillion burned. So that's why I'm bullish on this, guys. Um, yeah, man, get you a bag. Not financial advice, but again, anything can happen. I'm so sorry if I tell you guys to buy it and it comes down. But personally, I don't know. It just feels right. I know people say don't go with your gut, but you got to go with your gut sometimes. You know what I mean? Like this is a gamble, right? It's a gamble. That's basically what it is. But I am hoping that I am on the right side of the coin, and so are 141,000 people or 142,000 people, right? So we're all hoping we're on the right side of the coin. So hopefully we will be. I believe in it, but make your own decisions. But yeah, man, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, have a great one. Thanks for checking in. Subscribe, If you want, if you don't, it's all good, man. Thank you. Have a good one.